is a brand new Ferrari Purosangue, and now it has been completely customized with the full Venom forged carbon fiber package. This is number, I believe, 11 of the Venom Purosangue that we have done here in Los Angeles. Probably the hottest modified car that sells really well right now. This thing looks unreal. It's gloss black, but it does have a full nice red interior, so black on red. The wheels are very different this time. We thought about doing the wheels in a completely different style because pretty much all of them have been around the same style or so to keep it safe. As you guys know, a few of the Urises that we've done wide body, we did this style of wheel. We thought it would look good on the Ferrari as well. So 23, 24 inch again with the super difficult Continental tires to get, and the Novitec springs to lower it, of course. And that's the proper setup. You see Purosangues with smaller wheels all over, and they just look so small on this platform. So the 2324 really changes the game on this thing. Looks unreal. Other than that, the full kit has been painted to the body color black. Forged carbon fiber throughout has been epoxied and then clear coated. As you know, all carbon for most of these kit companies comes either raw or messed up, unfortunately, and shops need to really take their time and put a lot of material into it to make it better. And that's what we always do with these kits. That's why they come out so nice. It's got the big old hood changed in the front. It's got the front spoiler making the front end look so much more aggressive. Side skirts all forged carbon fiber. You got extra flares throughout the sides of the car. You have the rear ducktail, the roof spoiler, and the big diffuser in the back. And this Ferrari Purosangue now is super desirable. If you got a Ferrari Purosangue anywhere in the country, you can send it over here. We'll get it done faster than anybody else. We have kits coming in every 2 weeks at this point. So hit us up, get your order in now. Dagestan 2-3 years. This is gonna be a full-blown Mansory build. This is number 3 of the month, which is crazy. But as you can see, it is a black on white, and we are going to be wrapping it. Just like the previous one you guys saw that blew up the internet, the red one, got insane feedback. We're gonna be wrapping this, the infamous Satin Pearl White, one of the most beautiful wrap colors ever made. We are going to be wrapping this thing in there, so it's gonna be a big old Phantom in Satin Pearl White. With the Mansory kit, we're gonna be wrapping most of the chromes also in Satin Pearl White. We're gonna be doing a little black here and there. And also all the forged carbon from Mansory, we're gonna make a satin. So it's gonna be a full satin build. Very different, unique. It's gonna have Mansory wheels in black. Maybe I'll even do white wheels, I don't know, but I think black. And we're gonna stun the internet again because obviously Phantoms normally, we do them in black. So the red one went hard. After that, we did the tuxedo one. That was really nice. This one is already a tuxedo look, but we're gonna be doing this. So really happy about that. Right now the trunk is wrapped. He's working on doing the window molding, stuff like that. This car has a lot of chrome, so we're gonna be wrapping all of that stuff. Obviously 3M, one of the first wrap. I mean, we've been working with this particular film for over 10 years. Pretty crazy to see. So we have to take these fenders out because the fenders are gonna be replaced with the Mansory, but the rest of the car is stripped. We have to use about a full roll and a half for this vehicle. So a lot of roll is gonna go into it, but like I said, this is gonna be a really cool build because of the color. Honestly, I've never seen a Satin Pearl White Mansory Phantom before. So stay tuned, probably a week or so we'll have this thing completed.
Like it, John? You like it?
It's not in mine.
Infamous red Mansory Phantom that took over Monterey. Doesn't get much wilder than this. This is a wrap. It's the brightest wrap I've ever seen. And look at this thing. I mean, I don't know what else to say. It's just a wild build that got a lot of publicity, and it's for sale now at Exotic Car Factory for about $1 million. 2027. It's a wrap. Under it is painted, so you can remove the wrap and just be a black one. But the black on red accents, everything hits so good. Yeah, hit up Exotic Car Factory if you want to buy it.
How was your lunch?
Oh, beautiful.
What'd you eat?
Huh?
What'd you eat?
The big hamburger. Big, like my panza.
Venom. Venom. G63. Ferrari. How many? Is 8? 10. 10. Así va a quedar.
Wish one day I'll be in Hawaii. It's too hot over there, no? It's too hot. Nice and hot.
Yeah.
You been in Hawaii?
No.
So how do you know?
wish.
Fucking bitch.
It looks hot.
So this car is it's in great condition. No, I'm just kidding. It's fine. It's a little bit of damage, and they don't mind it. It works. But anyway, this car's not in here for that. This car is in because the car has hit 70,000 miles. I don't know what year it is, but it's in still great condition. Besides that, don't look at that. But it is here because we are going to service it. Javi is going to diagnose everything it needs for 70k miles, which is usually a oil change, fluids, adjust the tire pressures, and maybe rotate tires if needed, and anything else it needs, cabin filter, air filter. So yeah, that's what this one's here for, and it's a quick and easy one, so it should be in and out probably in a day.
This car is getting more popular because the price has gone down and they look really good, especially modified. This customer got a carbon kit from, we don't know where it's, I don't know what name brand it is, but had it installed and yeah, it's all coming off. So we're gonna be fixing all that. He also has a front lip we gotta put on there. It looks like a front lip's missing right now. So gonna be installing a front lip. We're gonna be fixing all this stuff. The wing is loose, the side skirts are loose, front end is coming up. We're gonna be gluing all this stuff because double tape doesn't work, honestly. Especially when a car has clear bra, wraps, whatever. The double tape does not stick very well. So this is all double tie taped. It all has to come off and be glued on properly so it doesn't come off. Really nice 296. I really like the match kits for this. Looks really, really crazy if anybody wants to do a really grown man 296. But yeah, we're gonna be fixing this carbon fiber body kit.
Am I here to pick that car up?
No. Second honeymoon.
Are you happy he's back?
Yeah.
He missed you a lot.
Ay.